Hello, in front of me I've got XIAOMI Scooter. From this video you'll learn the user limitations of using the scooter. Let me start with the height of the user. The minimum height of the user is around 120 centimeters and the maximum height of the user is around 200 centimeters. Unfortunately, the front bar can't be adjusted, so we can't adjust it for shorter or for higher people. About the weight limitation, the maximum load of the scooter is 100 kilograms. Of course, people that weigh more than 100 kilograms can also use it, but the scooter is less efficient and most probably it will break down faster. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.